Every call your agents miss is a customer who might not call back. Zendesk Talk has overflow and timeout settings that can catch every call before it falls through the cracks. Here is exactly how to configure them. When call volume spikes, a misconfigured queue turns frustration into abandoned calls. Agents get overwhelmed, customers hang up after 2 minutes, and there is no safety net catching the overflow. Getting your queue settings right is the difference between losing customers and routing them somewhere that can actually help. Overflow activates in 5 specific situations. All agents are offline, agents decline or miss the call, the maximum wait time is exceeded, or the queue hits its size limit. Understanding these 5 triggers lets you design the right response before callers hit a dead end. Each trigger has a different fix, so knowing which one fired actually matters. Start in Admin Center. Click Channels in the sidebar, then Talk and Email, then Talk, and land on the Settings tab. This is where your global queue settings live, and changes here apply to every phone line you have. On the Settings tab, find the maximum queue wait time dropdown. You can set this anywhere from 1 to 20 minutes on most plans, or up to 60 minutes if you are on Enterprise. Pick a time that matches your customer's patience, not just what feels safe. Next, go to the Lines tab and select the phone line you want to configure. On the Routing tab, set the schedule to always route calls, then confirm voicemail is turned off on this line. Overflow only activates when voicemail is disabled, so this step is a hard prerequisite. Click the Overflow tab, enable the toggle, and enter the external phone number where overflow calls should go. One important restriction: you cannot use toll-free numbers here, as outbound calls cannot be made from toll-free lines. Any call routed to a non-Zendesk number gets tagged as call overflow in your ticket. If your team runs on a schedule, you can set different overflow numbers for business hours and after hours. Set your Routing tab to business hours, then configure inside and outside schedule overflow numbers separately. This is ideal for routing after-hours calls to an on-call mobile or a weekend answering service. Basic overflow numbers work great for simple scenarios like routing to an external answering service. For teams with multiple internal agent groups, omnichannel routing lets you overflow between groups based on skills and availability. Enable skills timeout in your configuration. Otherwise, calls will not fall back to other agents when no skilled match is found. 3 issues come up most often. If callers wait longer than your configured limit after a transfer, that is expected. The timer resets when a call is transferred. If calls go to voicemail instead of overflow, disable voicemail on the line. And if your overflow number is not receiving calls, check that it is in E164 format and is not a toll-free number. Recommended wait times vary by business type: 2 to 3 minutes for e-commerce, 5 to 10 for B2B SaaS, and up to 15 minutes for technical support. Match your limit to how long customers in your industry are actually willing to wait. Use Zendesk Explore to track overflow patterns by time of day so you can staff proactively, instead of just routing calls elsewhere. Overflow settings handle the symptoms. Eesel AI handles the root cause. Our AI chatbot answers common questions on your website instantly, so those inquiries never become phone calls in the first place. For tickets that do come in, the AI agent resolves them end-to-end with a one-click Zendesk integration and no migration required. You now have everything you need to configure Zendesk Talk, Overflow, and Timeout correctly. When you are ready to go further, Eesel AI reduces the volume that tests those settings in the first place. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai.